Jeffrey is walking around eating some candy, and he throws the candy wrapper on the ground because there's no trash can nearby. But a policeman sees him do it. And as the policeman approaches Jeffrey, he gets defensive immediately. He starts arguing with the policeman and saying why he shouldn't get a fine or anything. Stupid Jeffrey. If only he had owned up to his mistakes, he would have just gotten a warning, and now he's getting a fine. Because when you beat the other person in condemning yourself, they'll be far more generous and forgiving towards you. When you're arguing against yourself, they are automatically going to argue for you. That means that they're going to be convincing themselves that your mistake wasn't actually that bad. And the only one who can convince a person is themselves. So have the courage to admit your errors. Take the responsibility and rise above the herd of people that just blame each other. It will also just make you feel way better. They say by fighting you never get enough, but by yielding you get more than you expected. Chapter 12 of the book How to Win Friends and Influence People says this all perfectly. If you are wrong, admit it quickly and empathically, and do it with enthusiasm.